Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to scan Loklok QR code on TV or laptop using your phone. Now here when I open Loklok application on my phone, then click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here in this section, I cannot find the option to scan the QR code. And now what are we going to do right now is to simply head to the Play Store and search for Loklok apps. And you need to know that you should download this option right here, Loklok Watch TVs and movies and videos. You just have to install it on your phone. And once you install it, here you have it. This is the new one. You just have to open it. Then when you go and click on me, you will find out that here, as you can see, you have the scan QR code option. You just have to click on it or tap on it. Then here you can now use it to scan the QR code on your laptop or PC. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.